Ever dreamed of driving a luxury car in Miami? Imagine the warm breeze on your face as you cruise down the Miami coastline in a sleek, high-performance luxury vehicle. That dream is closer than you think, thanks to Miami Luxury Auto Rent. Picture this. It's a bright, sunny morning. You've just landed at Miami's bustling airport. Instead of the usual hassle of taxi queues, there's a gleaming luxury car waiting just for you. This isn't just any car. It's an elegant beast, a symbol of power and prestige, ready to roar down the streets of Miami. That's the first impression Miami Luxury Auto Rent aims to create for every customer. Meet John, a car aficionado from New York. He decided to trade in his regular vacation for a slice of the Miami high life. Miami Luxury Auto Rent made his dream come true. From the moment John stepped off the plane, he was treated like a VIP. His chosen luxury car, a gleaming top-of-the-line model, was waiting for him at the airport, ready for him to take the wheel. For John, the experience didn't stop there. Miami Luxury Auto Rent offered him a customized rental package tailored to fit his specific needs. He was given the freedom to pick up and drop off his luxury car anytime, any day. With a 24-hour service at his disposal, no hidden fees, no fine print, just the open road and the thrill of luxury driving. John's story's not unique. Miami Luxury Auto Rent caters to a wide range of clients, from business travelers and international executives to digital influencers and sports celebrities. It doesn't matter if you're planning a special celebration or just want to treat yourself to an unforgettable drive, Miami Luxury Auto Rent is ready to make it happen. So why wait? Experience the thrill that John did. Feel the power and prestige of driving a luxury car in Miami. It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Make your reservation with Miami Luxury Auto Rent today. Because luxury is not just a dream, it's a drive away.